Hello everyone, welcome to Numeric Learning and welcome to day 34 of the daily maths practice series, which we are calling it as Do Math with Me. So here you will be solving a set of questions for 20 minutes approximately every day, and we have been doing a lot of questions from class 10's first chapter, that is real numbers, second chapter which is polynomials, and right now we are doing questions from the third unit, which is pair of linear equations in two variables. And I'm sure many students are getting benefited using with these videos, and you are also solving along with me. So today we'll be doing some 4 questions from linear equations, and the first question for the day is a case study question. So let's read it. The question is, Dhoni has hit a total of 359 fours and 209 sixes in ODI cricket, 78 fours and 16 sixes in T20s. In one of the matches, he scored 98 runs only in boundaries. That means it was only fours or sixes. Some of the boundaries were fours and some were sixes. If the number of sixes made were 2 less than that of fours, answer the following. Represent the given information algebraically. How many fours did he make? How many sixes that he made? So we don't know how many sixes and how many fours he made, right? So let us assume, let the number of sixes that he made, let it be x. And let the number of fours that he made, the number of fours that he hit, let it be your y variable. Okay, so if he has made 10 fours, right? If he has hit 10 fours, then it will be 4 into 10, which is 40 runs. If he has hit 5 sixes, it will be 6 into 5, which is 30, isn't it? So we don't know how many fours and how many sixes he made, but we can write it as, suppose he scored a total of 98 runs, right, by making certain number of fours and sixes. So let it be, I can write it as 6 into x, right? We don't know how many sixes he made. It could be 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 sixes, 5 sixes, isn't it? So depending upon that, so 6 multiplied by that number will give you the total number of runs that he scored only by hitting those sixes, plus 4 times y will give you the total runs that he made only by the number of fours that he hit, right? So this is equal to 98 runs. And the second one is, this is the first equation. Second one is, if the number of sixes, that is your x, is equal to, if the number of sixes, which is x, were 2 less than that of 4. Okay, 2 less than means the number of fours is y, 2 less means minus 2. So this is your equation 2. Okay, so this is your first thing. You have to represent the given information algebraically. So this is your answer. You have represented both the given information in terms of, the first statement was this, 98 runs being scored in boundaries, some were fours and sixes. You have represented it as a linear equation in two variable. And the second one is, the number of sixes made were 2 less than the number of fours. That also you have represented it with the linear equation. Now you have to find how many fours you made and how many sixes he made. That means you have to find out x and y. So let's do using substitution method here. So you can write, you can substitute or put 2 in equation 1. So what do you get? 6 multiplied by, in place of x I will write y minus 2 plus 4y equal to 98. Multiply inside, so 6x minus 6 into 2, 12, plus 4y equal to 98. What is 6 plus 4y? It is 10y equal to 98 minus 12 will go to the other right side, which will become plus 12. Okay, so what is 98 plus 12? 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1, 9, 10, 11. Isn't it? So 10y equal to 110, y is equal to 110 divided by 10. So this will make you 11. So this is, what is y? Number of fours. Okay, so y is nothing but the number of, the total number of fours that he made. Fours. Okay, now you can put this in equation 2. So put y equal to 11 in equation 2. So what do you get? What is equation 2? X equal to y minus 2. X equal to y minus 2, which is nothing but 11 minus 2. What is 11 minus 2? 9. And what is x here? So therefore, x is equal to 9. Right? And what is x? The number of sixes he made. The number of sixes that he made is equal to 9. Okay, number of fours is equal to 11. So that's your answer. So you've done all the 3 subdivisions of this particular question. Be very careful when you're opening the bracket. Okay, here 6 into minus 2 minus 12. Be very careful in these basic arithmetics. Okay, 6y plus 4y 10y minus 12. If it goes to the other end, it becomes plus 12. Okay, you're changing the sign when a particular term is moved from left side to right side across the equal to sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, multiplication will become division, division will become multiplication, all that. Okay, so be careful and try solving it yourself and see if you're also getting the same. Okay, so this is your final answer. Now let's move on to the next question. 7 audio cassettes and 3 video cassettes cost rupees 1110, while 5 audio cassettes and 4 video cassettes cost rupees 1350. Find the cost of an audio cassette and video cassette. So how will you do it? Again, there are 2 variables here. Whatever is asked, what is asked? Find the cost of audio cassette and video cassette. So we will just assume that let the cost of an audio cassette be rupees X, and let the cost of a video cassette be rupees Y. Okay, so 7 audio, if one audio cassette costs rupees X, how much will 7 audio cassettes cost? It will be 7x rupees. Plus 3 video cassettes will cost, one video cassette is costing rupees Y. So 3 video cassettes will cost 3 into Y. So plus 3Y will be equal to, what is the total cost? 1110. This is your equation 1. Second equation is nothing but 5 audio cassettes. So 5x plus 4 video cassettes. Video cassette 1 cost is Y. So 4 video cassettes, it will be 4Y, will be equal to 1350. This is your equation 2. I'm going to use elimination method here. Okay, I'm going to eliminate X. So here you have 7 and 5. And so the LCM is 35. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by 5 and the second equation by 7 throughout. Okay, so when I'm multiplying first equation by 5 throughout, second equation by 7 throughout, what do I get? So when we multiply 5 throughout, we will be getting 7 5s are 35x plus 3 5s are 15y is equal to 1110 multiplied by 5. So 5550. And the second equation throughout by 7. So again you have 35x plus 7 4s are 28y equal to, what you will be getting is 35 5 3 24 4 2 9450. Change the sign. Eliminate your x variable. And then what is 15 minus 28? It is minus 13y is equal to, when you subtract, what do you get? 0 0 9 and 8 minus 5, which is 3, right? Minus 3900. Negative gets cancelled. So what is your y? 3900 divided by 13. So 13 into 3. So y, therefore y equal to 300 is your answer for y. Right? What is y? Cost of your video cassette. Now you can put y equal to 300 in any one of the equation. Let's put it in equation 1. Okay, so you can put y equal to 300 in equation 1. So what do you get? 7x plus 3y equal to 1110. So 7x plus 3 multiplied by 300 is equal to 1110. So 7x equal to 1110 minus 900. Yeah, 300 into 3 is 900. So here 0, 1, it is 210, right? So what is x here? X will be 210 divided by 7. So 7 3s are 21. So x equal to 30. So you can write therefore the cost of, what is your x? Audio cassette. Therefore the cost of your audio cassette is nothing but rupees 30, and the cost of the video cassette is nothing but rupees 300. So rupees 30 and 300 are the final answers. Okay, hope you understood. Always write the steps carefully, and if you do like this, right? So this method we have used elimination method. You can choose any one method and calculate them. Let's move on to the next question. Solve the following pairs of linear equation by substitution method. Okay, so very good. You can take one of the equation as equation 1, x minus y equal to 4. This is as equation 2. So from the first equation, I can write x in terms of y. X is equal to 14 minus y. Let this be your equation 3, right? Substitute or put equation 3 in equation 2. So in place of x, what do I write? 14 minus y equal to 4. I am putting this particular equation 3 in 2. So in place of x, I am just going to write 14 minus y. Okay, so 14 minus y equal to 4. So what do I get? 14 minus y is minus 2y equal to 4. So minus 2y equal to 4 minus 14, which is minus 10. Minus gets cancelled. Y is equal to 10 by 2, which is 5. Right? Now you can put y equal to 5 in equation 3. So what do you get your x? X is nothing but 14 minus 5. What is 14 minus 5? 9. Okay, so x equal to 9. So you can finally write, therefore x equal to 9 and your y equal to 5 is your final solution. Okay, so this is what is the substitution method. Now next question. 3x minus y equal to 3, 9x minus 3y equal to 9. Again, mark it as equation 1, equation 2. So from 1, I can write y minus y equal to, what can I write? 3 minus 3x, isn't it? Or I can write y is equal to 3x minus 3. Either ways it's correct. So if I take negative common out, okay, how did I do this? If I take negative common out, I can write 3x minus 3, minus will get cancelled. So it's 3x minus 3 here. Okay, so this is equation number 3. So I can put 3 in 2, equation 2. So what do I get? 9x minus 3 times y is nothing but 3x minus 3 equal to 9. So 9x minus again 9x minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 equal to 9. 9x will get cancelled. So 9 equal to 9. So whenever this kind of a situation comes wherein one variable completely gets cancelled, your x variable itself is getting cancelled, right? In that case, always you should write that this particular pair of equations will have infinitely many solutions. It will have infinitely many solutions. This is your final answer. Okay. So whenever your one variable completely gets cancelled during the steps that you're doing, In that case, the pair of linear equation will always have infinitely many solutions. Okay, let's move on to the last question. Here again, 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3, 0.4 plus 0.4x plus 0.5y equal to 2.3. What you have to do is, first of all, multiply both the equations by 10 in order to remove the decimal places. So you will get 2x plus 3y equal to 13. 4x plus 5y equal to 23. Now let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. So you are specifically asked to do these questions using the substitution method. So I am going to do using substitution method. So from equation 1, okay, so from your equation 1, I can write 2x equal to 13 minus 3y, or I can write x equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2, right? So this is your equation 3. Now you can put equation 3 in equation 2. So what do you get? 4x, right? 4x plus 5y equal to 23. This is your equation 2. I'm going to substitute x here. So which is 13 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 5y equal to 23. So 2 2s are 4. Now multiply. So what is it? 2 multiplied by 13 minus 3y plus 5y equal to 23. So what is 2 into 13? 26 minus 6y plus 5y equal to 23. Minus 6y plus 5y minus y. Minus 6 plus 5, it's just minus y equal to 23 minus 26, which is nothing but minus 3. Negative gets cancelled. Therefore, your y is equal to 3. What is your x? So you can put y equal to 3 in equation 3. So what do you get? X equal to 13 minus 3y by 2 minus 3y by 2. So here you have 13 minus 9 by 2. So what is 13 minus 9? It is 4. 4 by 2, which is 2. So you can write, therefore, x is equal to 2. This is your solution, final solution. X equal to 2 and your y equal to 3 is your final solution. Okay, so this for all the 3 questions, we are using the substitution method. I hope you understood, and I hope you also did these problems along with me. If you haven't done, please do practice these questions. Pause the video, write the question and do it. Only then it will be of help. Okay, I hope you liked it. Please do share it with your friends and do subscribe if you find it helpful. Thank you so much. Happy learning.